Hey Scrapstorian friends, Cheryl here with a quick little haul video. I stopped in at the scrapyard in Calgary last week and they had some paper that I hadn't seen before, a new line to me, so I thought it would be fun for us to have a look. So this is the first. It's a great ampersand on craft, not double-sided. And the ones that I picked up, they are from alexandraranke.com, R-N-K-E. And I loved this with all the different paint swatches or ink blots, whichever you'd like to call it. And this one with the different bottles. I thought those would make great backgrounds, so I had to have those. Some of the other papers I picked up, these are from the Havana, Love from Havana collection. This is Prima. So I grabbed those. A little bit of crepe paper Wild Heart. And then I grabbed some sort of neutral patterns for a project I have coming up. These two are both from Penelope D Maestro collection. So I wanted this sort of denim pattern and then this plaid. I grabbed some Authentique. These are from the Accolade collection. And so that's the B side there. So of course I can use both sides of those. And then this is the same Authentique Accolade collection. So just a simple ledger pattern and then the globe. So underneath all of that is my wild hair kit. I ordered a deluxe kit just a little while ago. It came yesterday. I ordered when they were having their grab bag sale, but I think I missed out on the grab bags. Anyway, doesn't matter. I have some awesome stuff here. So Pink Fresh enamel dots. You can never have too many enamel dots. Pink Fresh Simple and Sweet enamel stickers. Those look good. On the bright side, our squad staycation, a well-planned day. So definitely some usable ones in there. Twilight, One Canoe 2 die cuts. So there's definitely some good stuff, some usable stuff in here. I like the bicycle, the flowers, the Let Your Light Shine Bright. There's some great things for sure. I did say this time in my style profile that I'd like more flair and talked about a trip that's coming up. So I have some great options there. Not All Who Wander Are Lost, my bucket list, a globe, adventure. So those will come in handy. These little butterflies are part of their cut file for, you know what, I don't know if it's June or July, probably the June cut file because that's when I ordered. So this is the cut file right here. I got some 6x6 papers, some great patterns in here that I can probably use these for a lot of projects. They might fit well in my 52 favorites paper issues that is behind. Behind is putting it lightly, but that's okay. We won't worry about that. Pink Fresh Escape the Ordinary. Lots of great things in here. I like the mountains, the new discoveries, Never Stop Looking Up, Chase the Sun, some good stuff. And then on to my papers. Pink Fresh Simple and Sweet. Heidi Swap Pineapple Crush. Pink Fresh Simple and Sweet again. Twilight, One Canoe 2. I think the last few are from Twilight. This is the cutter parts. And then, oh, the same design as in the die cuts, so that one I like for sure. And this is a great little banner to cut out, a tag I could cut out, and a good B-side. And the last paper is the Fireflies, super cute. Sorry, the actual last paper is Jen Hadfield Patio Party, so a great wood grain, and then a great brown wood grain text pattern. I also got a stencil. So this is a Heidi Swap hexagon stencil, which will definitely come in handy. So that, my friends, is my recent wild hair kit. Let's see if we can get a look at everything as it goes together. So lots of great options in here for me for sure. Lots of great papers, and then the cut file, and as always, Wild Hair has some awesome embellishments. So I know it's been a little quiet these days. I hope your scrappy days are going well. Things are a little bit busy on the Scrapstorian front for all three of us right now. Brandy's blogging like crazy, and the rest of us, well, not the rest of us, just me, have some catching up to do. So hopefully I'll get some of the things that have been on my to blog list to you guys, and we'll be able to chat about them soon. Have a great day.